my new games on.
Wow,
I'm filling that up. And my new books. Yeah, so it hasn't been too bad. Very busy.
Very good. Okay, so Mrs. Burrows is now going to take over the filming. I'm going to go and introduce you to some more people. Here we go. I can't run as fast as I ran on Friday.
I know.
Older than Mr. Weston.
So I just hold it look at me.
Hi, right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, we've got Miss Smith in here. Let's just say hello to Miss Smith. Hello. We've got Mrs. Meadow. She didn't know that was going to happen, did she, Mrs. Meadow? Good morning. Okay, here we go. Let's see who is about the school this morning.
I hope I'm filming, okay?
Would you like to say hello to everybody in assembly?
Hi everyone, it's so good to be back.
Ooh,
finally.
Woohoo! And I can tell you now, without these people, we would not be here this term. We really would not be here. They're the people that do all the organisation for us. So they are fantastic people. I know you want to just grab a little bit now and carry on. Okay, it took me ages to make this, can you imagine? Let me grab the end. Okay, let's hold it now, really high out, girls, so we can see it. Right, so this chain represents us at Kingshott School. So, if we come closer, so every single one is different. And of course, I'm doing this to say to you that everybody at Kingshott is also different. We're all different, but we all make a difference. We need all of us joined together, working together for Kingshott to function and to be the place it is. So for example, if I did this, I'm so sorry. Oh no! The chain has broken. And we've now got a problem in Kingshott, haven't we now? And so, we are only as strong as our weakest link. We all need to work together. And if we work together and help each other, then we can be the Kingshott we are. So we need the people on site, we need the people in the kitchen, we need our Year 8 school leaders, we need you now in Year 3 as well. We need every single person to play their part in Kingshott life. Because we do not want a broken chain like that, do we? So thank you very much, school leaders. If you can you around with or without a mask on, I'm not without it outside. But have a lovely, lovely day, and I shall see you soon. Okay, we're going to stop the meeting there.